Are you tired of all the false promises about making money online and the methods that seem to work for everyone except you? Maybe you've tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, only to realize that it's not nearly as easy as the internet makes it sound. Then you open YouTube, and you're flooded with motivational videos promising that you can build an online income almost effortlessly. But the reality is a little different, and that's exactly why this video is here. To save you time and money, and to show you what it really takes to make money online. I tried different online methods myself. At first I thought all I needed was to find the right method, and the money would eventually start coming in. I offered my services on Fiverr, but I couldn't find clients. I tried trading too, and I ended up losing money. That made me ask myself one important question. Why weren't these things working for me? Eventually I realized that the problem wasn't that these methods don't work. The problem is that not every method works the same way for every person. Almost every online business model can have potential, but each one comes with a learning curve, a time commitment, and consistent effort. So the real question isn't, does this business work? The better question is the time, money, and effort required actually worth the potential result? With that in mind, after looking at different online business models, two businesses stood out to me as having serious potential. But first, there's something you need to understand. The online world is full of promises. You'll see expensive courses, secret strategies, and businesses claiming that you can make huge amounts of money in a very short time. Not every course is necessarily bad, but a lot of the basic information inside these courses can also be learned for free. Do your research on YouTube, compare different sources, and learn how to verify information for yourself. And whenever someone uses words like automatic, guaranteed, risk-free, effortless, or instant money to sell you a business, don't automatically believe it. Now let's get into the first business. Number 2, Kindle publishing. Kindle publishing is basically about creating and publishing books through Amazon KDP and then selling them on Amazon. You can use paid advertising to promote your books, but there's also an organic option, TikTok. You can create short videos showing your book's design, pages, or how it can be used. The goal is to test different content ideas and figure out what your audience actually responds to. Journals, planners, coloring books, and some entertaining books can work particularly well with this type of content. For example, let's say you sell a book for $15, and a successful video eventually brings in 500 sales. That would be $7,500 in revenue. But remember, revenue is not the same as profit. After printing costs, Amazon fees, and other expenses, your actual profit will be lower. The basic strategy is simple. Create a product, publish it, get it in front of an audience through content, study the results, and improve the things that work. But between these two businesses, the one I consider more powerful is, number 1, YouTube. YouTube isn't just a place to upload videos, it's a business built around building an audience. First, you need to choose a niche that you actually care about and that has earning potential. Then you need to research your audience. What do they want to watch? What questions are they asking? And what topics genuinely grab their attention? Then comes the production process. Research, idea, script, voiceover, editing, thumbnail, title, and description. In the beginning, you can handle most of this yourself, and as your channel grows, you can eventually delegate some of the work and spend more time focusing on the bigger picture. But uploading the video is only half the job. After publishing, you need to understand the data. CTR tells you how often people click after seeing your thumbnail and title, and audience retention tells you how long those viewers actually stay and watch. If people click on your video and continue watching, YouTube has a stronger reason to recommend that video to more people. That's why the basic rule of YouTube is simple. Give people a reason to click, and then give them a reason to keep watching. But this isn't an overnight success game either. Some videos won't perform, some ideas will fail, and sometimes you'll make several videos without seeing much growth. That's part of the process. If you keep jumping from one business to another every few days, you may never give yourself enough time to become genuinely good at any one skill. Instead, choose a model, learn how it works, study your results, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. If your goal is simply to build a small second income, you can handle a lot of the work yourself. But if you want to turn it into a serious business, delegation and systems will eventually become important. Because at a certain point, your most valuable resource isn't money, it's your time. And in the end, the most important question about making money online isn't where can I make money the fastest? The better question is, which skill and which business model am I willing to learn and improve for long enough to actually create real income? Because sustainable online income doesn't come from some secret trick. It comes from skill, consistency, patience, and creating real value.